Does this look good to you? My arms are straight, my chest is lifted, and I'm nice and open. Maybe it looks good to you, but actually all I'm doing is propping myself up in this pose. Hi, I'm Krista Oakes, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. When we attempt to do upward facing dog, when we really don't have the correct strength or the awareness of the posture, we're really just kind of wasting our time, because when you prop yourself up, you're not engaging the muscles that you want to strengthen and the opening that you want to get in this pose. I would much rather you keep the elbows bent, stay lower, even if it's down here. Stay lower with the shoulders down and the elbows in. This is going to be so much more powerful than just propping yourself up at the top. So the next time you're on your mat, bring that body awareness, notice what you're doing, and see if you can make a little adjustment. See if maybe you go lower so that you can actually build the strength in the posture. Thanks for watching today. Thanks for listening. I always hope you learn something when I show up here for Mindful Monday. I hope you have a beautiful day. Namaste.